Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Windows cannot access the specified device, path, or file fix in Windows 10. Click Start, Settings, click Update and Security. Windows Security. Click Apps and Browser Control. Click Reputation-Based Protection Settings. Uncheck Block Apps. Click Yes to continue. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.